2013 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote. It's the first year of the 5.0 Coyote on these. Look at this thing, it's clean. 420 horsepower. Really clean car. And it is a convertible. Let me show you what we did on it, guys. Back to converter. Then we did a true flow X pipe instead of the two resonators in the middle, right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues up the top. And then we put two FLOWMASTER 40 series, one there and one there. Part number 42543, original 40 series. There'll be a link in the description for him. And then we reused his tips right there. He wanted to keep the authentic look, so we kept the same tips for him for right now. Maybe later down the road he'll come back and we'll change them out. But for right now, it looks clean, like nothing's done to it, but getting that beautiful sound. And there's the two mufflers that were on it, there and there. There's the two resonators, and there's the original H pipe that was on it with a flex pipe. We took all that off and replace it. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. Check it out. Really nice setup. Stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit subscribe. He said don't record the video unless the top is down, which I don't blame him. Look at that interior on this thing. One of one. It was clean. You never see him with that. And it is a 6-speed manual, which makes it even better. Here we go, guys. Authentic FLOWMASTER sound. It almost feels like FLOWMASTER was built for this thing. That's what it feels like. It just gives it such a deep, hollow sound. Yeah, it's clean. Your sound decibels? Right at 106. Nice, clean idle. Go ahead and back it out, bro. The 6-speed. Let you guys hear on the inside, even though the top is down. What do you think, honey? You like it? That's what we like to hear.
Love it. Let's bring it. Bring it.
She's cheering you on, man.
Thanks, guys.
See ya. Now it sounds like a Mustang. Cheer him on. Go, 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 go. He's watching. That was awesome. You see how it stood up?
Yeah.
I love it.